Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to take you through the process of how to create a custom cover using one of our pre-made templates in BookCoverly. When you sign up for our Templates Vault, you will have access to hundreds of professionally designed templates and design assets. So let's get started. So right now, I will go into the menu and select Member Menu, and this takes me into the Vault. From here, you'll see all the templates, and I'll just select this first one, and I'll hit the little download button right here. Now I'm in BookCoverly. I'll open the template I just downloaded. As you can see, each element in the template is on its own layer, so it's easy to make changes. I want to add a fancy border to this. I'll go back into the vault, into the graphic assets folder, and go into the frames and borders folder. Here's a good one. I'll just click and drag this file right onto my computer. Back in the app, I imported the border image, and I'll go ahead and duplicate that right over to the back cover. Let's change the title. This will be for a fantasy book. And I'll go ahead and change the font as well. That's a cool font. It's one of my favorites, but it's a bit hard to read, so let's change that out. Okay, now let's work on the back copy. I'll change the author name as well and make it the same font as the title. I'm going to duplicate the title to make the spine copy. Also, I didn't show this, but I wanted to mention that the sizing and spine width of these templates can also be changed anytime by selecting Cover and then Properties. Let's go back into the vault and find a cool background pattern to give the cover just a little more depth. Here's a good one we can use. I don't really like that black background, so I'm going to change it. Now I will import the background pattern in and tweak down the opacity. Then duplicate it over to the back and move those layers down. Let's reduce the opacity of that border so it's not so busy. I still don't like the color. I'm going to change it again. That's better. Okay, just for a touch of more depth, I'm going to add a gradation to this. Oh, I like this one. Nice. This gives it more of a vintage look and feel. I will change the colors of the copy to better match the background. Love it. Let's save our file and generate it over to a PDF. And we are done. Here's the template before. And here's the finished design. For the purpose of the video, I did edit out some parts to this, but it literally took me less than 30 minutes to create this cover. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to share them below, and I will see you in the next one.